Okay, good morning. We're going to take a quick look at upgrading our PTA server. Going to have a look. You've got it open at the bottom here. So let's start looking into it. Page enter. PTA upgrade. Smart service H. C H mod. Upgrade. Can take a snapshot. Go. Okay. Okay, that is good. DC release. As we're running Red Hat 9. So we did the Red Hat 9 release. Now let's do the upgrade. It's going to ask us some questions first. Okay, do you ask us for an upgrade? Click yes. Are you sure? Click enter. So now it's verifying the dependencies. And it's going to stop the services. Wait for the services there, finally stopped. Okay, now it's doing the SE policy. That's the SE Linux policies. Extracted the files, updated the Java, upgrading PTA packages. So what it does is it's actually in that be the pta.tar.gzip that actually contains all the packages, and that basically what it does is it extracts that and then creates a repository so that it can update the packages there. Setting up the PTA database, updating because it updates the MongoDB and a few other packages you will see here. There's the MongoDB Explorer and some other files. There's the Java and the OpenJDK kit. Okay. So there's the PTA hardened, configuring PTA users and groups, which is good. The old PTA components. So that's going to then basically remove all the old MongoDB and those sort of files. Install packages. Configure the inbound parameters. We don't have that coming in from Splunk. Upgrades the PTA components. Configures the firewall rules. Verifies the client structure. Upgrades the monitor components. Validates the AD connectivity. Moves PTA files to new location. Starting PTA services, which is looking good. And converting new properties. So it's just converting file formats and database stuff over to the new format. If whatever needs to be changed on those. It does the Java vault permissions, so it's going to do your user PTA users permissions, check those. Okay. Oh, session was closed. It's rebooting the server. Close that. Go to the PTA. Version is shutting down, restarting services. So we can go back here, see when it connects again. Might take a bit longer. See, there we go. Still not up yet. Okay. So wait here, we can see all the screens, all the login messages. Once the services start up. Okay. There we go. Let's wait for all of those to start up. You won't see this if you haven't done a very minimal installation of the PTA. So if you've got a GUI, you will never see these messages. Okay, so we're almost ready to do the upgrade to 15.2. We've got a few more things that we need to do before we can do that upgrade. Got a second PTA we're going to look at doing. Okay, let's go back into the PVWA. Okay, it's up and running in here. All looking good. Let's Go back to our PTA. It's connected. So if we were to go and log into our PSM, test, connect. Okay, come down to security, events, typing in password D. There we go. Time matches. So that's working. So PTA is working correctly. Now events are getting generated from the PTA. You can do more checks to check what else is going on. But yeah, you can check your emails and those sort of things for other events. You can also then, based on what you've got configured, and then we've got these are interfaces from the PTA. Monitoring SNMP, TP, and your SIM outbound connect configuration, which isn't configured currently. There's your global catalog server, which needs to be there. Monitoring targets, include and exclude range, she needs to configure as well. But that's basically it for the PTA.